Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by forming precise queries. Type the full book title in quotes and add the author's last name. Then add edition or year if known, because that filters reprints. Once done, append a format like PDF or EPUB to find downloadable versions, or add paperback to find sellers. If you need pinpointed sites, include site, domain, or file type, PDF to narrow results. Make sure to inspect snippet dates and hosts before clicking. Now refine using Google operators to exclude or combine terms. Add a minus to drop unwanted words, or to try alternatives, or in title, to focus titles. Use Google Books and Google Scholar filters for previews and citations. These often link to libraries or publisher pages. Once done, open Advanced Search to set language, date ranges, and region. Make sure to check cached or cached plus site results if current pages are behind paywalls or moved. Finally, verify what you find by matching ISBN, publisher, and metadata. That confirms edition and avoids fakes. Then decide. Borrow via a library catalog or interlibrary loan, buy from a reputable seller, or use an authorized digital download. If a page is blocked, try the cached version, switch Google region settings, or use a VPN. Just be legal about access. If metadata conflicts, rerun a targeted query with the ISBN to resolve which copy is correct.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.